In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix notification sound issues in Microsoft Teams, specifically on a Mac. We've all been there, waiting for that important update or message, only to miss it because your notification sound doesn't alert you. Let's dive in and troubleshoot this together. First, let's start with some simple checks on your physical setup. It's a good idea to ensure that your microphone isn't muted either on your headset or your device. If you're using a headset, verify the connection. Whether it's via cable, Bluetooth, or a USB port, ensure everything is properly connected. A loose connection could very well be the culprit here. Also, try unplugging and then reconnecting your headset or external audio device. Sometimes, this simple action can reset the connection and resolve any minor glitches. Next up, let's ensure that the correct microphone is selected within Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and open your Microsoft Teams application. You'll want to click on your profile picture located at the top right corner and then head over to the settings menu. Once you're there, click on the devices tab. Here, under audio devices, make sure the right microphone is selected. It's crucial because if, for any reason, Teams isn't picking up the correct audio input, your notifications might not be audible. To test if everything is set up right, you can click on Make a Test Call. This feature will record your voice and play it back, so you can confirm everything's functioning correctly. Moving on, we should inspect the microphone settings on your operating system. For macOS, head into System Settings, then go to Sound. Here, check to see that the correct input device is selected. Afterwards, navigate over to Privacy and Security, then to Microphone Settings. It's vital to ensure that Microsoft Teams has the necessary permission to access the microphone. Without these permissions, even if Teams is set correctly, your Mac may block the sound from going through. Lastly, if the problem persists, let's consider the software angle. Sometimes a simple restart can do wonders by fixing temporary glitches. So, restart your Teams app to give it a fresh start. If restarting doesn't work, consider updating Teams. Go ahead and click on your profile and then select Check for Updates to ensure you're running the latest version. Updates often contain bug fixes that could resolve these kinds of issues. If none of the above options work, restart your computer altogether. A complete reboot can often iron out any lingering issues. I hope these steps help you in getting your notification sounds back to normal. If you continue to have issues, there may be deeper system problems needing professional support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.